Hello kids, today we will learn general knowledge of class 5. Let us begin with chapter 27, keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts are used in operating systems and software programs. They save our time. Why we use keyboard shortcuts? Shortcuts to save our time. Write the shortcuts to do these actions on a computer. Change the text to italics. When you have to change the text to italic, what shortcut key you will press? Ctrl plus L. Repeat your last action. When you have to repeat your last action, which button you will press? Ctrl plus Y. Open the printing menu. When you have to open the printing menu, which button you will press? Ctrl plus P. Underline the text. Ctrl plus U. Number 5. Choose a document. Ctrl plus W. Undo your last action. Ctrl plus Z. Paste something you have highlighted. Ctrl plus V. Open a document. Ctrl plus O. Cut something you have highlighted. Ctrl plus X. Change the text to bold. Ctrl plus B. Save a document. Ctrl plus S. Select the entire document. Ctrl plus A. Copy something you have highlighted. Ctrl plus C. Open a new document. For that, you have to press Ctrl plus N. Now come to chapter 28. How stuff works. The science of flight. We board an aeroplane and happily fly from one part of the world to another in matter of hours. Thousands of flights take off and land at airports around the world. Have you ever tried to find out how an aeroplane works? It's an amazing science we must all know. Let us first look at the part of an aeroplane. The first one is fuselage. This is the tail. The body of an aeroplane is called fuselage. Second is the tail. These two are the wings, and these two are the engine, and this is the area called cockpit. The body of the plane is called the fuselage. It has a long tube shape. The wheels of the plane are called the landing gear. All planes have wings. The engines are on sides. The tail at the back provides a stable flight. The rudder at the back of the plane moves left and right to control the movement of the plane. The elevators at the back can be raised or lowered to change the direction of the plane's nose. This is the plane's nose. Now this is the cockpit. The pilot sits in the cockpit at the front of the fuselage. Passengers are seated here. Passengers are seated in the aircraft cabin. This is the aircraft cabin. The cabin area also includes a galley area where food and drinks are made ready, with sitting area for flight attendants. Flight attendant means air hostess. Now come to next. Let us take a closer look at how an aeroplane works. Flying requires two things: thrust and lift. Thrust. Thrust is the force that moves the aeroplane forward. Engines give thrust to aeroplane and move it forward at high speed. This makes air flow rapidly over the wings of the aeroplane. The air is pushed down towards the ground and an upward force is generated. Now come to lift. Lift is the upward force that pushes the aeroplane up. What is lift? Lift is the upward force that pushes the aeroplane up. It overcomes the plane's weight and holds it in the sky. So the engines move an aeroplane forward while the wings move it upward. Engines move an aeroplane forward and wings move it upward. A force called gravity pulls the aeroplane towards the ground. It is overcome through lift. Lift results in the plane rising into the air. An aeroplane is also built in such a way that its weight is spread from front to back as to keep the aeroplane balanced. Drag. Drag is the force that slows down the aeroplane. It acts in the opposite direction. Drag is caused by the movement of the aeroplane through the air. However, the shape of an aeroplane helps it pass through air easily. One more thing an aeroplane needs is a pilot to fly. Facts about air travel. The largest aeroplane in the world today is the Antonov An 225. The Indira Gandhi International Airport in Delhi is the busiest airport in India. Kolkata Airport, now called Subhash Chandra Bose Airport, was earlier called Dum Dum Airport. The food served on a flight may not seem very tasty because our ability to taste food decreases inside a plane. The pilot and the co-pilot do not eat the same food in flight because even if one gets sick, the other will not. Most planes today are made out of aluminium, a strong yet lightweight metal. Every day there are about 2 lakh flights around the world. Most aeroplanes have black boxes, which is an electronic recording device for facilitating investigation of aviation accidents. Aircraft controlled by computers are called drones. Now come to tidbits. The first flight of Wright brothers on December 17th, 1903. On 17th December 1903, Orville Wright piloted the first powered aeroplane. The flight lasted 12 seconds and covered 120 feet. Three more flights were made on the same day with Orville's brothers, Wilbur piloting the record flight lasting 59 seconds over a distance of 852 feet. Today we are traveling several thousands of miles by air. It is because of the efforts put in by Wright brothers. Now come to next chapter 29, how, what, why. Why do children look like their parents? Children often look like some combination of their parents. This is because each parent gives the child some of his or her genes. The child has the genes of both the parents. What are your nails made of? Nails are made of a tough protein called keratin. This is also found in the hooves and horns of animals. It is made up of dead skin cells. Why do we sneeze? We sneeze in order to expel mucus containing irritants from the nasal cavity. It is our body's way of removing an irritation from our nose. When the inside of your nose gets a tickle, a message is sent to a spatial part of your brain called the sneeze center. The sneeze center sends a message to the muscles to create a sneeze. What is a parachute? A parachute is an umbrella-like device used for helping something or someone descend slowly through the air. Why do we shiver when we feel cold? Shiver means kaapna. Shivering is caused due to tightening and relaxing of our muscles quickly over and over again. This produces heat and helps to keep the body warm. Why do we get wrinkles when we grow old? As we grow older, our skin gets thinner, drier, and less elastic. The protein in our skin called collagen and elastic also are lost, so the skin loses moisture and gets thinner and forms wrinkles. What are artificial satellites? Artificial satellites are man-made objects that orbit that Earth and other planets in the solar system. They are launched into space using rockets. They are used for communication, to telecast programs on TV, GPS global positioning system, for collecting information on weather and for survey of Earth's surface. Why do we feel pain? When we have an injury, the sensory receptors in our skin send a message to the brain through nerves. The pain is registered there, the information is processed, and we feel the pain. How can we taste the purity of honey? Fill a glass of water, add 1 tablespoon of honey to the water. If the honey is not pure, it will dissolve in water. pure honey settle down right at the bottom of the glass. What causes bad breath? If you don't brush and floss your teeth every day, food stays in your mouth and collects bacteria, which causes bad breath. Sometimes coffee, tea, and alcohol, garlic can also cause bad breath. How does milk change into curd? When some curd is added to warm milk, the protein called casein in milk reacts with lactic acid bacteria to form curd. Today we will learn up to here only, up to page number 70, and you have to fill your book up to page number 70, and you have to do this page number 71 and 72 puzzle yourself in your book. Thank you. Have a good day.